Hi there, I'm meteorologist Chikage. Windler, it looks as though we could be in for severe weather coming up for your Thursday. Most likely now looking like maybe between about noon and 4 p.m. for the heaviest storms, though we could have some as early as morning and later into the evening as well. And what's really concerning me is the possibility of training thunderstorms. More on that in tonight's Chik's Chat. I want to start by urging you to follow us as you get weather updates from each of our Storm Tracker meteorologists. If you follow hashtag KEYWX, that stands for KI Weather, you'll get what you need. And also our news reporters and news department will be putting in updates, including some on weather, at hashtag live on KI. So that way you'll be in the loop as far as what's going on. Severe storm threat is likely for your Thursday. And when I mention that training storms are possible, I mean storms rolling across the same areas over and over again, much as cars on a train would along a track. If that happens, we could have flooding. That's exactly what caused all of the flooding back in our Halloween storms that, as you recall, were a huge deal with some areas getting a foot of rain. I'm not expecting a foot of rain, but there are indications several inches of rain may not be too far-fetched in some locations. Severe weather threat, as you can see, for much of the KEYE-TV viewing area, the lone exception, eastern sections of Fayette County. Also could be dealing with large hail and some high winds. So here's future track, and don't take this for the exact amounts and exact temperatures and exact areas of rain. Take this for the idea of what could materialize. Right now I think spotty showers through the overnight, not out of the question. Also into the early morning hours we may see 1 or 2 showers or random storms. Probably want to have that umbrella handy, the raincoat as well. The bulk of this looks like it starts to get going right around midday. Notice how more and more areas of showers and storms start to pop up. Then as we work our way through the afternoon hours on Thursday, that's when I really think that the storms will begin to pull along those same areas, which right now looks like it'll be pretty close to the I-35 corridor, up and down from San Marcos, up toward Hays County, and into Kyle and Buda and Austin and on toward the east. So looking at those areas with the brighter reds and those shades of orange, those are the spots that have the potential of seeing the heaviest rainfall. And it looks like things are going to start to quiet down as we push through the latter part of the evening when things really calm down. Still have some rain in the forecast for Friday, but I'm not expecting severe weather threat. Now I want you to pay close attention to future track. This computer model in the last few updates has shown a possibility of seeing some very heavy rainfall rates. Notice some locations get very little in the way of rain, but others, for instance, bullseye right over the Austin area, points off toward the east, could see in excess of 3, 4, maybe 5 inches of rain. Not to say this will happen, but if it does happen, then we could be dealing with flash flood threat. So I urge you to be aware, turn around, don't drown, make sure you know where those higher locations are. Do not drive through low water crossings, and you can always keep it tuned to KEYE-TV and also hashtag KEYE-Weather for updates. Also, I'm always on Twitter as well as on Facebook, so you can get more information there. In the meantime, looks like we're going to wrap up the severe weather threat Thursday. Could see a scattered shower or storm on Friday. Then we're hot and dry this upcoming weekend, including Mother's Day. And right now I'm kind of taking a closer look at Monday for possible severe weather late day as well. We'll keep you updated on that. So on one hand, we get much needed rain. On the other, we could also get more rain than we can handle in a short amount of time. I'll keep you updated on social media. And until then, thanks as always for checking out Chik's Chat.